Hello guys, let's be the generic YouTuber for once. Today we'll unbox a tablet. The Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab with the Google Assistant. Yeah, okay Google. As if that's something so incredible, but hey, nevertheless, there's the back. Yoga Smart Tab. 64GB model, 4GB of RAM, you got a Snapdragon 439, runs Android 9, and it's a Lenovo portable tablet computer. And it's got a nice 1080p display at 10.1 inches, and it has a built-in stand. And this tablet is actually not for me, this is for a friend. This costs around 265 bucks, and I found this to be a pretty good deal. So why not take a look at it? And I think she will have a nice tablet. Oh, check this very important information out. Lenovo is a trademark of Lenovo. Well, and Google is a trademark of Google LLC. That's a big difference. So good that we know that. Alright, let's rip this guy open here. I just showed you the magic trick that lots of scammers use when they photograph something on eBay. They photograph it like this, and they say it's never been opened. But in reality, they opened it. But they only cut through here, and so they make it look like it never opened. Alright. Now, I'm an actual big fan of Lenovo computers. I think they make pretty decent computers. But is that for tablets the same? I don't know. I have no idea about tablets. I'm not a tablet person, so I'm probably the worst guy to ask. But hey, I looked at it, I compared it to Samsung tablets, to some other tablets, and from the price to performance, it just seemed right to me, especially for this sweet 1080p display, which is definitely gonna be a added bonus, since this is more a media consumption device rather than a work device. At least that's what she told me that she's gonna do, just watch Netflix, YouTube, do some Skype calls and whatnot. And also gotta add, I took this over an iPad, even though I can recommend an iPad. iPad is pretty decent, but not everybody wants iOS and deal with Apple and their constant shit. For example, not being able to copy a simple picture from the tablet to the computer and such. So I think we're going to go with a Droid here for once. But iPad is also usually a pretty good choice. Alright. Also more from a work perspective maybe. So if you open that up, pretty nice packaging, pretty high quality looking. There it already is. Now I might be wrong, but I think David repaired one of those on his channel, made a video. It may not be this exact model, but it's very similar looking. So here it is. Just take a look at the accessories, because that's the way you do it on YouTube. Keep the viewers as long as they can looking at the videos, you know. So here is just really boring user guide, which nobody will ever read. But let's keep that around for warranty. And here we have something that is very helpful when you have an electric device that has a battery. This thing can charge your battery. And Apple thought it's a great idea that we don't include that anymore in the newest iPhones and then tablets, because you know it's hurting the environment if we introduce this so many times. But it's not hurting the environment at all when you, for example, you know, trash millions of devices because they're not repairable or they're not worth it to repair. Oh no, that's fine then. Alright, get out there. What is... wait a minute. There we go. And that is indeed a USB-C cable. That's also important that we don't lose this, because I don't think she has one USB-C device yet. So that's one more USB-C device that I personally have. So really, really valuable cable there. But don't get me wrong, USB-C is great and all that, especially for such devices. Really great. Not so much for laptops, in my opinion, yet. But when it comes to portables, USB-C all the way. Just happens that I use an iPhone which has a lightning connector. Let's unwrap this beauty here. It's not your regular tablet form factor. It's not flat and super thin. It's kind of good for your hand. A little more ergonomic to hold. But this is also functional. So unwrap that here. There it is. Yeah. Can we also peel that off? I think we can. Who wants that on this tablet? Just all the features there. It's probably for the stores and whatnot. So let's try out this stand. Don't know how that works. Oh yeah, pretty easy. And that is even a metal stand. That is something I didn't expect. I expected this to be a plastic for real. But no. So, just funny enough, when we both looked through the tablets, and I recommended her maybe the Samsung, maybe this one, maybe another one, she was like, I gotta have this. And I'm like, why? Well, because I can do that, and I don't need an additional case. So yeah. I mean, I get it. It's pretty handy. So let's close that again. And how do you turn this on? It's another sticker there that we can remove. How do you turn this on? There it is. Can you tell that I'm not a tablet guy? There it is. Yeah, Lenovo, powered by Android. I thought this was the other way around when you lay it down here, but when you flip it up here, you can like set it here and watch some Netflix or YouTube or whatever. That's pretty cool. So let's set this thing up. Does it have the rotation enabled? It does. Really good. You can also lay it this way, I think. Yeah, of course. So let's set this thing up. We're not in the United States. We are in Austria. And yeah. It's good to take a look at the screen for a couple of seconds, because it's it brags of being a 1080p display. Gotta inspect that a little bit. It's not showing my Wi-Fi right away. There it is. Now, just looked at the display a little bit, and being completely honest with you, it doesn't blow you out of the water. It's surely a nice display, but it's not like a display that you can compare to the expensive tablets, that are like 700, 800, hell, even $1,000. You can't compare that, of course, but for this price point, it's a pretty sweet display. Really, really great. So, we'll not copy any files. It's our first device. Yeah. Google, you can have everything. It's not of my business here. Not do a display, sperre display lock. Why is it on the other? This has face recognition. No fucking way. What? Really? Insane. Well, she can configure that if she wants to. Lenovo ID. Nah. God, how many more? No. Here you can do gestures or classic. Well, this is very iPad-ish, and this is the way you're used to with Android with the buttons. And I think this is the better way here. Ambient mode from Google Assistant. Nah, we'll just... what? Whoa, what did I now do? Oh, I pressed update. Just not do that now. Here we are. Clock time is wrong. That's definitely, that's most definitely wrong. Let's see if we can fix all of this. Yeah. Let's bump up the brightness all the way. Yeah, once again, I gotta say, it doesn't, blow you away, but for this price, you gotta respect. This is $260 or $265 or however much it was. It's looking so freaking beautiful for that. This is a price region where where you're not getting any iPad, so not new anyway. So why bother? Also, it doesn't run Android 10. May it get it in the future? I don't know. Hopefully. But that's not an issue for the next years. Let's just put it down again. Yeah, let's do automatic. No, not automatic. That's a good thing to do it. Just run updates then. See if we can run updates or if it's already up to date. System update. Alright, it's already up to date. Okay. How can I go back here? Okay. So what version is it running actually? It is running version 9 point nothing. Okay. Just activate that really quick here. USB debugging. Who knows? You might use that in the future. It's always useful in my eyes. Where is that? USB debugging. Yes. Here you go. Great. All right. Now this iPad closing here. Oh, it's not iPad exactly. It's just kinda. I'm not up to date whether this is a new Snapdragon or a couple of gens older. I suppose it's a little older. But yeah, watching videos. She doesn't do any gaming. She doesn't do any hardcore, photo work or whatnot. So, it's gonna be fine. It's all gonna be great. No annoying sounds. That's also good. What is it updating there? Oh, it's downloading some language pack. Alright. Oh well, guys. So I think we got it set up. Pretty simple video, I know. Let's just check out the cameras for now. Yeah. Whoa! Wow, really didn't expect such a good camera on the back. That is surprising. It's like super stock Android there. But, nothing bad about that. Kind of always feels wrong, but it's probably okay if it needs a little more force. So here, beautiful photo of my kitchen. Just turn them around here. Hello. Yeah, that's absolutely sufficient for Skype and whatnot, Discord, who knows. Absolutely fine. Oh yeah, that's one last thing I wanted to show you, and test out the speakers. Are the speakers any good? So, do we have YouTube pre-installed? Is there any more I can access? Or is that all? Okay. Well, Google, YouTube, alright. Let's go to, I don't know, what's not a copyright problem? Listen to Kevin MacLeod. Oh, who doesn't know this song? Some sort of YouTube comedy video, you've heard that. But it... Ooh! Really nice sound to him. Stand it up there. Now it did something. There it is. Alright. Yeah. So yeah, the sound is actually decent. So this is it, I think, guys. This is the perfect media consumption device. I mean, what else do you need for watching some YouTube, Prime, Netflix, whatever, Disney Plus, or all the streaming services? It's got nice speakers, reasonably good display. That's all you need. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this crappy unboxing here. So it's kind of a nice tablet for the price. Definitely a recommendation. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And just gonna check that. Does it have an expansion card slot? Look at that, it has. So now I can recommend it even more. So you can put in an SD card, no problem. Really sweet. Alright, so I think we made a good decision here with buying this. Doesn't always have to be Samsung. They're getting enough money anyway, now that Huawei is moving out of Europe. So yeah, but nothing wrong with the Samsung tablet, obviously. But yeah, here it is. Quite a nice tablet for the money. See you later.